Welcome back, dear children. Good morning. Okay, in the previous class, we have learned some properties of addition, isn't it? Now, please don't write, just listen. Let me explain the properties of addition. Which are the properties of addition? Which is the first property? Yes, if we change the order of the numbers, the answer will not change. Or the sum. Sum means the answer of addition is known as sum, isn't it? So if we change the order of the numbers, the answer or sum will not change in addition. That means, what is 3 plus 5? Yes, 3 plus 5 is 8. What about 5 plus 3? What is 5 plus 3? Yes, both are same. Both are same, isn't it? That means here we have 3. Instead of 3, here we have 5. Here we have 5. Instead of that, here we have 3. That means we have changed the order of 3 and 5. We have changed the order of 3 and 5. But still, the answer is the same. This is our first property, isn't it? Like this. 4 plus 7 is equal to what? 11, isn't it? What is 7 plus 4? Here we have changed the order, isn't it? Instead of 4, we have written 7 here. Instead of 7, we have written 4. But still, what is the answer? 7 plus 4 is what? Yes, 7 plus 4 is also 11. Both are same, isn't it? This is our first property. Okay. And what is the next property? Second property is what? Yes, predecessor and successor. That you second and third properties you all know, isn't it? And one more property is there. What is it? If we add 0 to any number, its value will not change, isn't it? That means 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 5 is also 5. 9 plus 0 is what? 9. What about 1000 plus 0? What is the answer of 1000 plus 0? Don't write. Please listen here. 1000 plus 0 is what? Yes, 1000. What about 1359 plus 0? Yes, 1359. That means any number plus 0 is what? What is the answer? Any number plus 0 is the number itself, or the value will not change if we add 0 to any number. That is one of the properties. And finally, we have written the grouping of the numbers will not change the value. That means, let me explain. 3 plus 5, we have to add 3 plus 5 plus 3. 3 plus 5 plus 4. Suppose we have to add these 4. And they have given the bracket like this. In our higher classes, you are going to learn this bracket. Now just listen. Which is the calculation inside the bracket here? Which operation? Which is the numbers inside the bracket, and which operation? Inside the bracket we have 3 plus 5, isn't it? We have 3 plus 5 inside the bracket. So since 3 plus 5 is inside the bracket, this has to be done first. Operation operation inside the bracket should be done first, isn't it? Understood? Operation inside the bracket, that is addition inside the bracket, should be done first. So this is equal to what? 3 plus 5. What is 3 plus 5? 8. 8 plus 4 is what? Yes, 12. Okay. And so let me explain. Here we have put the bracket here. And as per the rule, what we have to do? Operations inside the bracket has to be done first. So first we have added 3 and 5. So we get 8, and then we have added 4 with this 8. Finally, we got the answer 12. Okay. And let's change the position of the bracket. Let us change the position of the bracket in the same problem. Here in this problem, bracket is here, and let's try to change the position of the bracket. Instead of this bracket, let's try to put the bracket here. Okay. So we have changed the position of the bracket. Here, as per the rule, which is to be done first? Yes, operation inside the bracket is to be done first. So this is to be done first, isn't it? So what will be our next step? First we have our 3, isn't it? 3 plus, then 5 plus 4. together. 5 plus 4 done first means in mind you please do 5 plus 4 like that. Okay. 5 plus 4 together. 5 plus 4 9. 3 plus 9 12. Are they same? Yes, both are same. That means if we change the grouping of the order of the grouping, the value will not change. That is the meaning of that property. That is meant by the property 5 or last property of addition. Let's check one more. Let's check one more problem. Let's add 1 plus 2 plus 6. What is 1 plus 2? First we have this. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 6 is what? Yes, 9. Next we have in the next step, what should be done? Yes, let's change the order of the bracket. And this is 2 plus 6, 8, isn't it? 1 plus 8. What is 1 plus 8? That also 9. Are they same? Yes, both are same. Okay, these are the properties of addition. Now let's move on to the addition. While adding two numbers, now please don't write. While adding two numbers, suppose we have to add 356 plus 124. How can we add? Don't do, just listen. How to add this? Can we add like this? 356 plus 124. And can we add like this? No, this is wrong. Why? While adding, ones should be written under ones. Tens should be written under tens. Hundreds should be written under hundreds. Thousand under thousand. Like that, we have to add. Isn't it? Isn't it? This is the proper way for adding. Otherwise, the answer will be wrong. Isn't it? So, what is the proper way of adding this? These two numbers. What is the proper way of adding these two numbers? 356 plus 124. This is the proper way. Isn't it? 6 plus 4. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. 0. Balance 1 where? Above the previous number. Isn't it? Above 1. Now 5 plus 1. 6. 6 plus 2. What is 6 plus 2? Yes, 8. Then we have 3 plus 1. 4. This is our final answer. Okay. Let me explain one more problem. Suppose we have to add 5,655. Don't write, just listen. Suppose we have to add 5,655 plus 341. How to add these two? 5, 6, 5, 5 plus 3, 4, 1. Can you write like this? Can we add like this? No. Why? Ones under ones. Tens under tens. Hundreds under hundreds. Like that you should write. So what is the proper way? 5,655 plus, yes, ones under ones. Yes, 3, 4, 1. Hundreds place. We should begin with the hundreds place. Why 3 is in hundreds place? So down this 5, no number is there, isn't it? So in the blank spaces, please put zeros. Now we can add. Have you understood? 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 4, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3, 6 after 7, 8, 9. 5. This is the answer, required answer. Okay? Is it clear? Oh, okay. Now write addition of larger numbers. We should begin with the smaller ones, then we shall do the larger ones. Okay? Let us begin with the smaller numbers, then we will move on to the larger numbers. Is it clear now? Okay, write the heading addition of larger numbers. Addition of, write neatly. Before start writing, mention date and day on the upper portion of your margin. Okay? Addition of larger numbers. Notes. Let me give some notes. While adding numbers, while adding numbers, one should be one should be written under ones ones should be written under ones, tens should be written under tens should be written under tens. Is it clear now? One should be written under ones, 10 should be written under tens, hundreds should be written under hundreds, etc. 10 should be written under tens. Hundreds should be written under what? Yes, written under hundreds, etc. etc. means it will go on like that. That is the meaning of this, etc. Okay, it will continue like that. So 1000 should be written under thousands, 10,000 should be written under 10,000, like that. Isn't clear? Okay, and down please write, that is, please write ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds, thousands under thousands, 10,000s under 10,000s. Like this we should add. Okay, yes. Okay, now let's start the first exercise of our third lesson, exercise 3a. Exercise 3a. Let's begin with the smaller ones only, then we will move on to the larger numbers. Okay, yes. Exercise, write neatly. Okay, exercise 3a. First question, add the following numbers. Add the following numbers. Add the following numbers. First one, A, 36 and 41. How to add this? 36 and 41. Answer. Ones under ones like this, isn't it? 36 plus 41 where? Yes, 4 under 3, 1 under 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. What is our answer? Our answer is 77. Okay. Next. If you have space in your notebook, you can write alongside like this. Here you can write B if you have space. Okay, no problem. Next, B. The question is B. Write down B. The question is 352. This is 300. Okay. Question B. 352 and 69 and 69. So what we have to do here? Yes, ones under ones, tens under tens, like that, isn't it? First number is 352 plus next one 69, where 6 is in which place? 6 is in Yeah, tens place. So we should begin with tens place here, isn't it? Plus 69 plus 69. Okay. Here no number, so please add 0. Is it clear? 9 plus 2. 9 after 10, 11. 1 here, balance 1 where? Above the previous number. So above 5. Then what is the answer? 5 plus 1? Yes, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 6? 6 plus 6, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Isn't it? 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 2 here, balance 1 above. Yes, above 3. Above the previous number. 3 plus 4. Sorry, 3 plus 1, 4. Plus 0, 4 itself. So what is the final answer? 421. Is it okay? Now write C. 518 and 75. 518 and 75. So similarly, how to do this? First we have to write 518 plus ones under ones like that. 75. In the first number, 7 is in which place? 7 is in, yes, tens place. So 7 should be written where? Here or here, where we have to write 7? Under 5 or under 1? 7 has to be written under 5 or under 1. Where? Yes, under 1. Below 1, 75. And blank space, 0. 8 plus 5. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8 plus 5 is what? 13. Yes. 13 is 3 here. Balance 1. Above 1. Sorry. Sometimes it happens so. Let me once again add this. Sometimes, sorry, I'm using the digi screen, that's why. Okay, pardon. Plus 75. We did this one already. 8 plus 5. Yes, 13. 3 balance 1 above 1. Yeah. And 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. Isn't it? And here 5. 593 is the answer. Once again, 8 plus 5. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is 3 here. Balance 1 above this 1. Isn't it? 1 plus 1, 2. And 2 plus 7. 7 after 8, 9. And 5 here. Here we need to put 1 0. Okay. Next question. Next, D. Write down D. Question D is 19. Question number D. 19 and 19 and 658. 19 and 658. So, how to do this? First number is 19 plus 658. 6 is in which place? 6 is in which place? Yeah, 6 is in hundredth place. So we should begin with hundredth place. Okay, 600. And in tens place we have 5, isn't it? And in ones place we have 8. Tens place we have 5 and ones place we have 8. So 658. So this is the proper way to add, and it's 0 in the blank space and 0 in the blank space. Now can we add? Yes. 6 after, if you can add in mind, that is better. That should be, that is the proper way. Otherwise try to use fingers for making confusion or for getting proper answer. But the apt way is do the calculation in mind. Practice that well. 9 plus 8. 9 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What is the 9 plus 8? 9 after 10. Sorry, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Sorry. 17 is the answer. 17, 7 here. balance one above our one, isn't it? Isn't it? Balance one above the previous number. 1 plus 1, 2. 5 plus 2, 5 after. 5 after what? 5 plus 2 is what? 5 after 6, 7. Yes. 6 plus 0, 6. So what is the answer? 677 is our answer. Okay. Let's do one more. E. Tomorrow we will begin the larger numbers. Okay. Let's do one more. E. 405, 312 and 15. Three numbers are there. 405, 312 and 15. Answer. How to add? First number 405. Next number 3 digital itself. No problem. 312. Where to write this 15? 1 is in 10th place. So we should begin with 10th place. 15. Isn't it? 0 in blank space. Add. 5 plus 2, 7. Actually, this can be added like this. 5 plus 5, 10. That is the easy way. Okay, that is the easy way. 5 plus 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Or if you can't do so, follow the usual method. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Isn't it? 12 is 2 here. Where we have to write the balance one. Where the balance one to be written? Above the previous number. That means above 0. Isn't it? 1 plus 0 means 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Isn't it? 4 plus 3, 7. So this is the final answer. Next, F. Please do F here also. 3 numbers. 21. The given numbers are F. 21, 300 and 625. Okay, let's try to do the answer. First number is what? Yes, first number is 21 plus. And in 300, 3 is in which place? 3 is in which place? Yes, 3 is in 300, 3 is in 100 place. So we should write the number 3 on which place? Yes, 100 place. So 3, 0, 0. Okay. And in 625, again the same. Okay. In 625, 6 is in which place? Yes, 100 place. So 6, 2, 5. Isn't it? 0 can be written in the blank space. Now we can add 5. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Isn't it? 1 plus 5, 6. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 6 plus 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. This is our final answer. Okay. Is it clear? Do this today itself neatly in your math notebook, and I will give some homework that also should be done. Okay. Note down the homework. G. 485 and 301. Homework F. So next H. H, the homework is 271 and 12. I, the homework is 541, 718 and 51. 3 homeworks are there. Do it today itself. Thank you. Have a nice day.